Yo, what it do, fam? We tipping on three back with y'all with another one. Today's lesson, we're going to talk about these chrome bezels that go on your header panels for your 1987 to 92 Cadillac brougham. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm fresh off of work. I'm running out of daylight. I've been prolonging this because we have been having snow, so I haven't got been able to put my car together just to make this video for y'all. So y'all better like, share, subscribe, because if y'all ain't gonna keep doing this, I'm not putting these videos out here for y'all. Y'all can learn how to fix these cars on your own. I really don't care. So let's get into it and make it quick because I'm trying to get some work done on my car, and I think it's raining, and summer's coming quick. So for these bezels here, in case some of y'all didn't know, you got 10 tabs on these bezels in total. Okay, you got 5 down here at the bottom. You have 1 in the corner right here, and then you have 5 along the top here. Now the homie Carlos Soto drop his picture right here. Best Cadillac part. That's where I get mine from. You know what I mean? Check him out. He told me you don't have to. He doesn't necessarily run these top ones right here because they can be a pain in the ass to get on and off. He uses a certain tool. I'll drop the link of that tool in the description below to get those on and off. But I personally, I want mine to be nice and flush against that header panel, so I'm going to put mine back on. They're nothing but, I don't know. I'd be lying to you. I think they're thread cutting nuts. That's what they're called. But I ended up rethreading mine, and I forget what I put on there. But if you know how to use a rethreading tool, you can put whatever you want on there. It doesn't really matter. Like I said, I rethreaded mine and ended up going to the hardware store, grabbing some nuts and slapping that on there. So along with that, also you have which looks like 4 tabs on the bottom, probably 5. Mine probably broke off right here, but I got 4. They are screws. I'll show you how they go right now. So if you see in the bottom of this header panel, you got 4 or 5 holes down there. So when that light bezel goes inside of there, the mounting point for light bezel sits on top of here, and those screws go through the bottom of your header panel and screw into the bottom of that. To get to those, honestly, it looks, from my understanding, you got to take this front bumper off to get to those. That's if you want a clean car, that's just what you're going to have to do. That's just what it is. Pretty much that's what it is. And you got 1 more screw in the corner here, as you can see. So again, you got 10 mounting points. You got 5 up top, 1 in the corner, 5 on the bottom. Some of your cars might have them. Some of your cars might not have them. I'm not really sure. All I know is that I'm putting my car back together the way that it should have came out the factory. They ain't got to be crazy. Hand tight will work. You ain't got to get crazy on them. So that's one side. Obviously, copy, rinse and repeat on the other side. So here's what it looks like from the bottom. Again, all you got to do is get you some screws. Some regular screws. You know what I mean? And they go in these holes here. They might not line up that great. So you'll have to do a little bit of convincing with a drill and a drill bit. You know what I mean? But you just line them up, slap them in there. Let's get to it. One thing I didn't mention, as you can see on the other side, I do not have my molding over there, and I put these on. You can slide these in and out of here. It's a little tricky, you gotta work with it, but just make sure you put your moldings, go in between your header panel and the bezel. See how it sits down inside of there? And then you go under there and see the holes, you convince it. Cars are old, they just need some convincing. Yeah. And for that molding, there's 2 screws right here. Bing, bong. So, I know that was 3, but there's 2 screws right there. Let me get to it. And that is how you mount your bezels. Screws down there. You got a screw here. I think there's a screw supposed to be here up here also, but it broke. Got your bolts back there. I mean your nuts. But yeah, I'll show y'all the good, bad, and ugly. One of mine broke off. The ones back here, look at it. Pointless. Pointless. But see, even I got a little gap, but it is what it is. Still looks clean. Even before I had all this, I was still hopping on it. So even if you don't have all this, they're still going to be secure. Let me get over here and get this other side done so I can finally get this car put back together. Get ready for summertime, springtime, shows, and all that. Peace.
I don't know if y'all know it, but we're going to win. I don't know if you feel it, but we're going to win. I don't know if you can see it, but we're going to win. You got to understand we're going to win right now.